this is Palm Beach. I'm starting this video with the beach first because it's just beautiful. This is Singer Island. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. The water's so warm. It's so crystal clear and gorgeous here at Palm Beach. Wow. Be sure to see my Marriott Resort on Singer Island Hotel review. So again, we head over the Intercoastal. We come from West Palm Beach. Be sure to see my West Palm video. And we end up in Palm Beach. And it is just beautiful. It is so perfectly manicured. Everything is meticulous. And my girlfriend and I were going to a restaurant to eat, and then we were going to do a little walking around, and then we were going to be driving down the A1A and show you some of the rich and famous homes. Finally made it to Palm Beach.
This is Worth Avenue.
Oh, it's so gorgeous. What is it?
Worth Avenue.
Okay, it's gorgeous. They have all the shops and fancy people dressed in fancy clothes.
And fancy cars.
And fancy cars.
Look at this down in here.
Oh, look. Some restaurant down there. So we are on our way to what restaurant?
Taboo.
And why is it so wonderful?
It's wonderful. They have, first of all, I think the best salads there are. It's been here for many, many, many years. And I grew up going here.
Oh,
it's been a very special place, so I'm so
Oh my
excited
God.
to be able to bring you here
Oh,
and
thanks.
see it.
Oh, cool.
And
Okay.
enjoy it.
Yes. All right. We'll let you know later. This is it. Taboo. Beautiful little place. Wow. Very nice. The restaurant was decorated really nice.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. It was elegant, yet casual. And I would dress casual dressy probably if you were going there. The service and food were excellent. And I got a picture of the menu for you guys so you could check it out. Okay, we just walked out of Taboo and holy crap, that was an amazing meal. Do check it out in Palm Beach. So good. And you know, I'm thinking that Palm Beach, this street kind of reminds me of Rodeo Drive, actually.
Yeah, exactly.
Very similar to Rodeo in Los Angeles. So really nice place to walk around. I'm really enjoying it. It also kind of reminds me of Key West, a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
You know
with
what,
the
those
art
little-
galleries and all the shops. Really cute town.
That's where we were headed.
This area is so pretty.
There's all stores.
Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty here. Just lovely. All the art galleries, the mosaic floors, and the lamps are so pretty. Well, every fancy town has to have a Tiffany & Co. That's a really pretty marble building. Okay, there's a Bugatti. Forgot what it was called. A Bugatti something, but it's $2 million. Bugatti what? A Bugatti Barra. Holy crap, it's gorgeous. Man, that's what you see here in Palm Beach. Wow. So I just saw a little buggy that's a free shuttle. So they have a little free shuttle that'll take you up and down these streets. So that's kind of cool. Okay, real estate. Lots of good real estate here in Palm Beach. But you notice there are no prices because I'm sure it's all in the millions. This is what lines the streets here in Palm Beach. So after an amazing lunch with my friend, we got back in the car and we went driving around. I mean, you could drive around all over, even if you did nothing else. And you could just look at stuff, and it's so pretty. This is a beautiful town. It's a very wealthy town, but it is very beautiful. You hop on the A1A, and these little houses you see, these are the pool houses. And across the street is the actual house, or mansion, I would think, for the rich and famous. The famous Breakers Hotel. Of course, we can only see the front. So there is tons of restaurants and shopping in this town. You know, it's the town of the rich and famous. It's really beautiful. It's a great place to go. You can easily explore the whole town in a couple of hours and then have some lunch and then definitely hit one of the beaches because they are beautiful. Then you head back over the Intercoastal and you end up back in West Palm Beach. Be sure to see our West Palm Beach video. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.